Hello friends, this is a simple LED project with the help of Arduino. It's actually a task which was given by FLDEC. FLDEC is where I'm doing my internship and they provide a lot of services to their client. DRDO is one of their major client. So at the first they wanted to check out performance, so gave a simple program, simple task to make this LED glow in a sequential order. So today in this video I'll show you the difference between working with Arduino and PIC microcontroller. Let's get started. I'm currently working with this project. It's my final year project. I'm doing all the hardware and software part for Raspberry Pi. I'm doing programming in Python. And for Node MCU, I'm using Arduino IDE. Sorry, I went off topic. Well, I will share the details about my project later in another video. So this is a PIC microcontroller. This is the circuit schematic, how I arranged my components in the simulation, Proteus simulation. I just used a push button with a pull down resistor, few LEDs and resistors. So when I push and hold the push button, the LED starts glowing in a sequential order. As soon as I release it, it will stop, and again when I push it, it will start from the beginning. So this is the task. Well, it seems simple, but I found that this RDA4 pin is open drain pin. That's the reason why I have to connect this LED in a different way, in an inverted way. The ground of the LED goes to the RDA4. So this also complicates the PCB design. The PCB designer should know these difference. So newcomers cannot do it without the knowledge. So making a PCB design requires datasheet knowledge for PIC microcontrollers. So the programming side, the same thing, a little bit challenging because I have to initialize the ports. For Arduino, I followed the circuit diagram as you can see, and the programming codes are really simple. So according to the schematic, I arranged my LEDs and push buttons, resistors and bridge wires, and now the project really works fine. So for Arduino, I just made a program to run it continuously instead of pushing the button. Well, the program is in the description. Major difference between Arduino and PIC microcontroller. So the schematic side, Arduino schematic is really simple, whereas PIC microcontroller, we have to make sure these multiple functionality of the port pins. Arduino code is really simple, whereas this PIC microcontroller, we have to initialize each and every port. If sometimes we have to mention our own functions, sometimes we have to mention the AD count register to make particular pin has analog and digital. And in the circuit diagram aspect, as I already said, there are some pins which act as open drain, so we have to make the entire PCB design. And for programming, Arduino uses Arduino IDE, whereas PIC microcontroller uses EMP Lab. For the programmer, PIC microcontrollers requires special kit which is a bit costlier than Arduino, whereas Arduino doesn't require anything else other than the Arduino board itself. These are the images of my next upcoming video.